Hi Scorpios, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the month of April 2021 situationship reading. Either the situation is currently going on into your career life or into your relationship, okay? And guys, if you want to book one-on-one session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have one-on-one tarot reading sessions with me, the details are given in the description box below, okay? So yeah, let's check it out what's going on with you, okay? Either into your career life or into your personal life, okay? So yeah, Scorpios, this is the reading for Scorpios, guys, okay? You feel that a lot of delays are happening into your life currently, okay? A lot of delays are happening into your life currently, okay? Yes, a lot of possibilities is on the horizon in the next new 2 months, okay? Like it's like from the last 4 months a lot of delays are happening, okay? But in the month of let's say April, May, June, July, in the month of July or before July, you will get a lot of opportunities. All doors will be opening for you towards the victory and the success, okay? So yeah, into your career life. Yes, you feel that a lot of politics is going on around you related to manipulative people and situations, okay? And that stresses you out a lot. You're juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions, okay? Major breakthrough is going to happen related to the delays happening into your life. Now it might be, those delays might be happening related to career life, those might be delays happening related to your financial life. So a major breakthrough is going to happen in the month of in the next 4 months, okay, for sure. There's subconscious minds, like there's a third eye chakra opening is there, which is very good, okay? You are comparing yourself with others and that disappoints you a lot, okay? Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, okay, which is very good. Yes, you feel that the situation is slowing down somewhere, okay? Like a lot of situation delays are happening, nothing is working out into the favor, a lot of slow motion things are happening. Karmic relationships you are dealing with, which you are going to end very soon. Whosoever is playing politics with you, okay, just get away from those people around you, okay? So yeah. Okay, so you are spending a lot, okay, in the month of April. Be miser in spendings. Watch out your spendings, okay? You are spending a lot. You need to be, you know, um, very miser in spending, okay, in the month of April, okay? Also, one more thing, few of the Scorpios are thinking of doing investments into the, land, property, business, or something like that, okay? So the time is good for next 4 months. You can do the investment part in the any land purchase, any land, property, or real estate if you are willing, so okay. There's an opportunity which has been blocked by you. You want to grab an opportunity which will be coming in the month of June, so that opportunity will change your life for the better, so grab that opportunity. You feel sometimes weak into a situation, okay? That's the thing. Before you were trying to remove the obstacles which is coming into your path. Now you are just sitting back and relaxing. You are no more going to interrupt in solving everyone's problem. You are just going to sit back. You are stuck in, you feel stuck into a situation sometimes, that what to do, like whether I should go for it or not. Only few of the Scorpios, okay, not all. Yeah, okay. celebration might be happening with the third party situation. Okay, so one thing I can say, the people in Scorpios who are in separation or reconciliation might happen in the month of April or in the next 4 months. Okay, next 4 to 5 months. Okay, or else if you're dealing with some financial issues or problems, next 3 to 4 months will be good for you, and issues will be solved related to your financial life. Okay, there will be a celebration. You are gaining a lot of clarity related to a situation. Okay, okay, so there is not happiness in the family life, or there's issues going on into your family life. Okay, up and down. Okay, due to the dominating energy into your family. Now a father might be dominating, or someone else might, or your husband or your wife, anyone can be masculine who can be dominating, or who takes care of a masculine energy, those people can be dominating. Okay, so yeah, anyone can be dominating. So the things, few of the things are not going on into your family life. The family situation is going up and down. Okay, in the month of April, not that good. Okay, that will be fixed in next 10 months. Okay, so some endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, like ending of an old pattern, old cycle, old relationship, karmic relationships, problems. Okay, for now next 7 months, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Okay, so yeah, there is wish fulfillment which is being blocked. Okay, so yeah, um okay, so there is a long term commitment. There is some issues going on into your marriage life. Okay, and there is a less or no communication happening, and I feel that universe wants to tell you that a heart to heart communication is needed with you, for your partner. Okay, so just be careful about it, be mindful of it. Okay, a heart to heart communication is needed. Have it, because sometimes it opens up a lot of doors. Okay, so that you won't feel stuck into a situation. Okay, also I just feel that this is not the time of overthinking, this is the time of taking action. Okay, like you need to do something, get up and do something. Okay, so yeah, yes, you feel bad related to a situation, that's what is happening. Okay, okay, so there is a universal blockage. Okay, like universe wants to tell you something. Okay, related to someone. Okay, so there's a universal message for you. Okay, the first message is happiness is my birthright. So whatever happiness you want, you will own it, and you should own it. Okay, joy is the ultimate creator, be happy. I let go of the shadow of the past by seeing someone for the first time with the eyes of love. Whatever happened in the past, you will let go, and you will see that person with a new light, with a new hope, with a new friendship, new relationship, new happiness. I am a spirit having a human experience, and I am here to get closer to love. Wow, it's all about love, dude. Wow. I hope this resonated with you. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and comment down, guys, if you feel that this resonated with you. So what are the messages from angels? Okay, so yeah, okay, so the first is choices. Your angel guardian says to consider and evaluate all the options, then let go of your head and choose from your heart that which gives you the greatest joy and feels you right. Whatever feels you right, do that. Okay, have the choices which you want to take. Have faith into a situation, because there is a support from the universe. Okay, light, you are the light to fulfill, you are your own light. Okay, which becomes stronger and clearer. You will find clarity and the purpose very soon. Okay, honesty, when you are honest, your aura is crystal clear. Everyone knows where they are with you and feels totally safe. Commitment, your guidance is to perceive towards your vision. Let every thought, word, action be directed towards your desired outcome. Wow. Archangel Chamuel. Okay, so Archangel Chamuel works on the pink ray of love and being blessed with this archangel card indicates that you are ready to open your heart chakra to unconditional love. You are ready to open your heart chakra, okay, for the new energy. Whosoever dealing with the past and who have moved on, you are now ready with a blessing of a new energy into your life, okay. And your heart chakra is healing, which is best. Kindly like, share and subscribe, guys, okay. I hope I hope Scorpios, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe, guys. Bye bye, take care, Scorpios.